forest rangers.
We make sure the forest is kept clean.
Once upon a time, there were 2 forest rangers who cleaned up trash in Smelly Stone National Park.
Why do you think they call it Smelly Stone National Park?
Attention, rangers! We have a complaint of something smelly over by the owl tree.
That's why.
We're on it. Oh no, who knocked over this garbage? That's what we want to know.
Whoa, it sure is smelly.
Let's clean this up.
So the Smelly Stone Rangers cleaned up the garbage.
That's all of it. Good job, Ranger Gil.
What is it, boy? Do you smell something?
Ew.
Pew, pew.
What's making that awful smell? That's a skunk. If she puts her tail up in the air, that means she's gonna spray us.
Spray us? With what?
With a really bad smell. Let's get out of here.
I think we lost her.
Attention, rangers! We have a report of something smelly over by the frog pond.
We'll hop right on it.
Those dirty socks smell terrible.
Socks.
Let's bag them up and get them out of here.
Phew! This pond smells better already.
Uh-oh. I think Ranger Puppy smells something else.
Skunk!
I think we lost her.
Yeah, but we're lost too.
How do we get back to the ranger station from here?
Maybe you should use one of your senses to help you find it.
That's a good idea. Thanks, dear.
Oh, you're welcome, honey.
But Ranger Molly, the ranger station doesn't make any sounds. How are we going to hear it?
We can just use our sense of sight. We'll find it with our eyes. We need your help to find the ranger station. Use your eyes to help us see it. If you see it, say, I see it.
I see it! Right there!
That's it. You found the ranger station.
Let's go.
So the Smelly Stone Rangers made it all the way back to the ranger station. But just as they were about to go inside...
Skunk! We're gonna get sprayed! I don't want to smell bad.
Me neither.
Why are you crying?
Because nobody wants to be friends with me because I smell bad.
Well, why do you keep trying to spray everyone?
Skunks only spray when they're scared. I'm new here and I'm a little nervous.
We'll be your friends.
You will?
If you promise not to spray us.
Oh, I promise. La-da-da.
And so, the forest rangers and the skunk became good friends. And they all lived happily ever after.